Yeah, in case you think I'm making this up, January 26th. Look, you see these trees? They didn't lose their leaves through the whole winter, like a good amount of these. And I see birds like picking at them, trying to look for the birds. I think I scared them off. I didn't mean to. Yeah, I don't see the birds. Yeah, this is fucking ridiculous. There's some other trees that never lost their leaves, and the animals were eating at it. These never lost their leaves. This one never lost its leaves. Could be because it's so close to me. This didn't die. A lot of stuff survived through the winter. There's just leaves on that. I saw the birds eating something off the buds, like on some of these other trees. Not necessarily these. This survived somehow. And started messing my backyard. But yeah, this is I think this is what they were eating. Like I seen them eating buds off of other things that were like, I don't know if they were freshly budding or they just survived the winter and they were eating it. This is crazy, isn't it? Look at this. Bro, this is January, bro. There's a fucking ant in here, bro. You see this? Bro, I'm really running AC in January. Not the kind that makes it warm or hot, the kind that makes it cold. I got it on max right now. Like, in January. Bro, now it's up to 79. Goodness gracious. Some of the areas near me actually hit 80. And wow, that's like shattering the record. It's actually 81. Look, 81. Wow. Oh my God. We destroyed the record. Like, wow. Look at this. Bro, this is January, bro. There's a fucking ant in here, bro. You see this?